Go with me to explore aluminum doors and windows design abilities. Now I'd like to introduce the production design of our company doors and windows. Number 1, different raw materials including aluminum profile, PVC, timber wood, and spraying technology meet customer needs for practicality and beauty of products. Number 2, we use high quality glass materials, achieve various soundproof, waterproof, and hurricane-proof functions. Number 3, different style of products can meet your different needs. Folding can save space, sliding doors is convenient for the elderly to slide and open, etc. Follow us to learn more about aluminum doors and windows.